Hello dear friends, welcome to the session. So all of you know that CBSE has released its term 1 remuneration. You can see here I am sharing with you the page of CBSE integrated payment system, and some of my friends, they asked me the step-by-step procedure how to get term 1 remuneration. So that is why I thought it will be better if I share this video for you. You can see here I will be showing you once. After coming to Google main page, we'll go to CBSE site, and once you are coming to CBSE site, where is CBSE Central Board of Secondary Education, we'll come to the main website. In main website, once you are coming here, we'll get, where is that? Yes, integrated payment system. You can see integrated payment system, the last one. We can click here. Once you are coming to integrated payment system, we will see the first one is affiliation related, second one is school result committee, that is last year, and the third one is what, term 1 remuneration. So once we are coming here, yes, the site is going to be open, and here we'll be putting all the required detail.
I didn't understand that.
If you come here, we'll put the user ID, next password, and the per capita will be entered here. So once all user ID is the affiliation number, and password what is you are using for during LOC, that will be entered here. Once it is entered, then it will come to this page. So this page will be open. So here fixed remuneration, that is center remuneration, the fixed one. Then exam functionaries account detail. So all the members, all the functionaries, those who are associated with term 1 examination, their account detail must be updated here. Okay, once it is updated, then we'll go forward. Exam functionaries, there we'll put the number of days they have worked and all detail we have to put. Then center account, the school detail, school account number or the center account number must be entered here. After all this fill up, we must go for the freeze payment. Until we are not freezing, payment will not be released. So we have to go for the freeze payment, then we will see the final payment report. So these are the 6 steps we have to follow in order to get the term 1 remuneration. So once we log in, we'll come here. So here actually center number and the number of dates will be there. I have hidden here. So here it will be there. Of course, I will be showing you the main page. So next here you can see the category, who are there in the category, then your name, account number, and again confirm account number, IFSC code, and the mobile number will be entered. Then we'll go for what, add. So if you add, then it will come here. In the category you can see here deputy superintendent, center superintendent is there. Deputy superintendent means all the functionaries, those who are associated, you can see here. Okay, so those who are associated with the term 1 examination, the detail will be here. Once it is entered, then I will show you the next page here now. So this one given in the site only. Now I want to take you the fixed remuneration center. So once you are coming fixed remuneration center, you will notice the page like this. After login, you will come here, you will find the center detail here, and in which region that is, the total number of days, everything will be mentioned here, and how much amount will be given to the school also it is mentioned here. So total amount and how much advanced amount given and the amount payable, this all detail is mentioned here, and your calculation and what you are supposed to get, you can match the calculation. And here of course some extra amount given by CBSE, for example COVID-19 expenditure already given, so that also you can see here. Okay, once it is after first page, then here total number of students in class 10th and 12th also it is given here. Now day wise, so day wise how many students and invigilator, evaluator, all these details are given here. You can match with your record, and here of course it will be matching, so there will not be any differentiation. And the total amount also mentioned here, we can see. So that all detail I am sharing here, and of course this one I will be sharing our Telegram group. Achha, okay, some of my friends they asked me regarding their term 1 result. So I got the comment. You can even comment here also. Even if your term 1 result is not declared, then what to do? You can write in the comment section. I will reply you. And some of my friends they asked me about this term 2 practical examination remuneration. That also I will be telling you how to get this term 2 practical examination remuneration. All the things I will be sharing in my next class, next session. So here I am sharing here with you, and even if you are finding any difficulties, you can comment me here, and definitely I will reply, and I will try to rectify the problem. And one problem that my friends they are facing, that okay, today of course the website was under updated, that is why for sometimes the link was not available. Yes, you can see here after filling the detail, so the name, account number, IFSC code, center will be means it will be visible like this. You can see here, so it will be visible like this. After that we should go for matching all this detail, and then we'll go for what, updating, and updating is very important. So after this you will find like this days will be coming. For example, center superintendent, how many days he worked, so this they will be checked, then you have to update here. Once it is updated, then we'll go for what, freeze the payment. Once it is freezed, then the total amount will be credited, and it will be showing like this. So the status will be showing like this, whether payment is done or not. So this is the detail about what I was telling. Some of my friends they asked me, so there are some teachers, those were appointed as evaluator and also as invigilator. So once their name is entered as invigilator, and next time when it is entered as an evaluator, so that account number is not accepting. Are you facing the same problem? If you are facing the same problem, you can comment me, then what the solution I will be giving you also. So thank you very much. Once again we'll meet in the next session. Goodbye.